Hey folks, it's time to save money during Clipper Days sales event. Stop in to Jim Micco and Sons, located right on Washington Street in Newcastle. Today, for up to $500 off your new Country Clipper zero-turn mower, discover the unique features and benefits of Country Clipper mowers with joystick steering, stand-up deck pivoting, front axle, wide front, step, and optional handrail. Yes, Jim Micco and Sons, right here in downtown Newcastle, and it's Country Clipper Days. Now, this will run till May 20th of 2019, so don't waste any time. Make your next move to Country Clipper, and you'll be glad you did. Country Clipper Days, yes, Clipper Days sales event from now until May 20th, and you got to get on that.